What is going on on social media? Rock and coming people. Where they work in the sky, it on the road. Bless up yourself, guys. Because what are we or some of them catch feelings? Planka bars fly in a Jamaica, Some of them took on them YouTube page people and I put up posts about 99. 99 now look upon them and thing Phoenix open a brand new establishment down on Mobile. So then I have to step out clean and thing and represent for Phoenix. How are some of them? No guys. I have a post where Kaka I put out a couple hours ago talking about 99 and tax money. You remember what me said to said Tina Chin was talking about some tax money? Me hear Kaka I with the same thing. So remember to please like and share and subscribe to the buzz. You see me? So the post goes like this, guys. Come now keep up on the time. It goes like this. Some ghetto girl run back home to get people tax money for fake charity, so they can help themselves with people hard working money and don't want to work in America. Let's see how long it's going to take you to start collecting money for people. The same people over and over and over. Bunch of fools. My pretty self. And she put a picture with herself. Now guys, this is obsession, this is bad mind, and this is jealousy. No, people, remember, when Kaka ID come at Jamaica, in my opinion, it obviously mean to me, say when she come at Jamaica, she didn't want to leave. And Asa Dana struggle out here. She didn't want Asa Dana down on her face. You see me? When you grow up with your brethren and your brethren elevate farther than you, what you do? Sometime, as a typical Jamaican, a typical black person, you bad mind them though. You say, no man, oh you reach us and me reach us. So now Kaka I have been working in America for the longest while. Working. Putting out work with nothing to show. You see me? Remember people, Kaka I not want to house yourself, Kaka I not own a land for yourself, and I doubt Kaka I own a cat or a rat for yourself, people. And I doubt Kaka I own a care for yourself. So she want Dana struggle. She want Dana face hard life. What kind of woman is this? Why you so bitter? You gotta talk about fake charity and talk about Dana come for collect tax money? Idiot. If you check out Dana live, you'd hear Dana talk about Phoenix. You'd listen and hear before you come on your live and chat all kind of bullshit. You see me? This is social media, but we're free for do one for do. But also, we have to be careful how we say with our mouth. Now you, Kaka I, Marcia Campbell, aka Roach Boss, aka Iron Belly, aka Cat Boss, you don't understand, say the more you come out for Dana, and the more money are going at the woman account. You waste your time on social media, giving Dana all of your attention when you should be focused on yourself and be a better drunker. You see me, I say, because right now you a crowbait, so you upgrade to be a better drunker. You see me? No. When you put up a post here, what you think it's going to do? It ain't going to do nothing at all. Because when you say you're jealous of Dana's success, you're bad mind of Dana's success, and you will tell yourself, say, you should have in a Dana's shoes. Yes, man, you tell yourself, say, and me should have in a Dana's shoes. So the more Dana go up, and the more your face are wrinkle up, and the more all you get, because you say, Jesus, peace, yo, oh, she read the song, and me supposed to read this, and me are the big deal, and me are the big deal, and me are the one responsible for cheap and clean, and you name up yourself, and go on the most fear. We know, say, you're bad man and Joseph of Dana. Everybody know. People know, say, Dana are mad, you. See me? Because everything at all, Dana do impact your life. If Dana eat Ebola, it impact your life. If Dana shit in the bathroom, side from my road, it impact your life. If Dana sell a cake, it impact your life. Everything at all Dana do impact your life. Remember, your flap party, we can't stop talking about it. The 12 people, them come and come eat up the food and come drink liquor and come dance up themselves and thing. Them no mean no good and thing. So you say you right about now, Kaka I, how you name 12 bars, 12 bars, aka stagnant bars, iron belly, tough belly, Let me say this to you. You feel so what you do. Anything at all what you do can affect Dana. The woman now look upon you. And it's not that she's more than you, you know. It's that she's doing more than you. You're not elevate yourself. You put down yourself and you want also put down Dana. Look how you just at the party. All dead. It's all dead dresser. For you call yourself a big deal, you must represent as a big deal. You must not represent as a meal deal or a small deal. You look like a big clown on social media. When the act jump off your head and me see you run, go feed like you're shocked. It's a Jesus peace. Boy, the party I feel. You charge $50 because you know so the people them now come. I bet you they set it for free. Me know you won't get 12 people. You see me? How do some people will decide to come support you? No. When you put your live and you talk, I will see 200-300 people on the live. I will see the and thing. Where are those person? Where are those person? Those person, I mean, they're good enough. They just come visit you and laugh for you. They just come and visit you and say, me boy and I'm visit Marcia Campbell. Them just come for the mix up. But in a real life, them now come support you. In a real life, them not love you. In a real life, them now look out for you. So no matter what you say out of your mouth, and no matter what you do, you can always stay that way there. You can always stagnant. Because of your dirty ways them. Father God, I can punish you. You and teenagers in the world, I want to. When you come on social media and talk bad about Dana, but yet still, when you now live the life you Dana live. Look how Dana elevate herself from out of the Ghetto Mountain View and rise to the occasion. You see me I say, we know say donors give her money for build house. You see me I say, but don't forget this. Don't get fooled. I'm going to say, a donors build Dana. And Dana build herself. Can I say before Dana know the donors them, Dana just bake. Some money you just roll in back then before now. So don't come use the charity money I said, at this build Dana. Dana been making a lot of money off of cakes and pudding and all kind of things before she rise to fame. So no matter what you want to say, no matter what you want to do, only can't use the charity against Dana. You see me? I saw on the stay, on the very, very stagnant, on the very, very dirty and corrupt. You don't want to see nothing good happen for nobody. You alone must enjoy life. You see me? But I can say, you can always pay tax. And not have nothing for yourself. You can always unhappy, you can always miserable, you can always have the worst life because here what you do. You destroy your own self by paying attention to Dana and try to bring down Dana while not elevating your backside self. Father God know everything at all. Father God know your life stagnant. Father God know why you not have no success. Father God know why you want spit in your failure. Father God know why your party flop. Father God know when your family member come support you because you are an evil person. That's all you do is talk bad about somebody. You see me? And try to be like you can go in Hollywood or you're an actor. You are nothing. You're just a big clown on social media. And for who I tell you, me I tell you, you are nothing but a fool on social media. This is no joke thing. This is no styling thing. But when you do them thing upon social media, it just like a blasted idiot. God not sleep. Father gotta watch you. And I'm gonna watch every move you make. You see me? And soon and very soon, you're going to see social media and you can't accompany it. You're afraid of social media because of your dirty and bad mind ways towards the lady yard. The woman are there nothing at all. The woman does do her thing as anybody would do. And everything at all the woman do, you say she follow you. You see me? You should do this. You say, oh, she follow me. And I was the one who did it first and everything there. Then if you, she a follow, then oh, you can't draw a crowd. Talk truth. If you say Planka Boss I follow you, then oh you can't draw a crowd of 50 people. Why you think you can't have no success? Why? Why everything at all you do fail? Because of your ways them. Your bad man the woman so much that your own life are going to drain you now see it. Your own life go down the drain. Your ship a sink and you now see it. You see me? You invite the wicked come to your party. Teenage in the world them when they like Planka Boss. You invite the world them. And what them come and do? Come and laugh and smile with you and think. But guess what I know? You don't know, you not have no sense, no? You not have no sense. And you not change your ways them. But You must know where them dirty ways are put you. See me? You must know where them dirty ways are put you, because if you continue at the rate where you are moving things, remember I tell you, God not gonna bless you. God not gonna bless you. See me I say? And for anybody who in your head that tell you things, and make you know say yo, you are going with things. You're not going to do nothing at all. You flop. You flop. See me? There's up to 12 people them will come at your event can tell you the truth. Because them shame too, you know. Them shame, them not gonna come out and talk about it. Them are just listen. See me? And you cause the word is by yourself. Remember me tell you that. You cause the word is by yourself. And your life not gonna be better. Your life gonna be worse. Worse than how it is. Because who God bless, no man curse. You put in good in your life, you get out good. You see me? And if you put out bad, you gonna get bad. You reap what you sow. Yeah man, all the reaper will sow. Say me put out a negative energy, me I gonna get a negative energy in your life and thing. So just leave the woman alone, man. Make them not enjoy your life, man. The woman not see you. The woman not have nothing to do with you. The woman send back your money, come give you from way back when. And you're still obsessed. You still carry feelings. You still carry belly. See me for the woman. I don't know you can't talk about so. I don't know you have strength for. No, sir, people. This is an embarrassment. This is a big embarrassment on social media. If you see how cruel you behave towards Dana. It's just a bad mind, dirty attitude towards the lady. See me? And the lady now have no grudge against her. The woman just live for her life. And here comes this backside idiot. Now have no sense. People, I'm going to chat to you soon here, man. Stay tuned. Please like and share. And let me know what you think about that in the comment section. Because right now, Kaka I mad out. You see me? I say Kaka I want sitting for the right about now. So you're going to send her to Jamaica if you sell some coal. You see me? Stay tuned here, guys. I'm out.